Good evening to all. It's a summer vacation, guys. So, pila na lang ka days. Mag-duty na mi. Maybe in 3 weeks. So, hapit na, guys. Today is Sunday, April. What's the date? 27. So, I spent almost 2 weeks at home. Kay vacation naman. Huwag medyo nitambok-tambok ako, guys. Siya nara ang scenario sa balay. The baby also is free. So, muna na siya study. And then ako magsalod. Salod ko sa tubig rin mga guys. Kaya nitubod na ang among water. Sa tubig. Dayon dalon sa CR. Nanin among life dere mga ka-reels. Since dili kaya siya motubod. Ay mo tubod yung gabi na. So kinahanglan magsalod. So ibutang na yun sa yeah. Okay. That's it. Balik na po ta. We need to go back to fetch more water. That's life here in our place. Ay, my God. It's not full yet. So this is our place. Guys. Here. So hilatan na nato mapuno mga guys. So nag-spend ko sa akong vacation. There is a balay. Just staycation kay no budget. Dayon. Just sleep, eat, rest for a while, and cell phone. That's all. So dugay na ko wala lang ka-upload aning akong channel mga guys kay murag nawadan ko sa gana. Karon kay summer man, I will try. Awat-awat lang ko sa uban mga mag-vlog. Not as serious nga kuan gid guys. Kanang vlog lang good. So nara guys. Let's go back outside guys. Ano ito? Ano na ba? Kana. Pagka na tubig o. Ano siya ang scenario dari sa amo guys. Lagi mo lang tubig. Tutubod lang kung dari. So this is the kind of water supply here in our place, guys. Okay. To bring this, oh my God. Go back to the CR. There, baby's there. Then put the water here. Oh my God. This is our life. Oh my God. This is our pet. Mingo. Ang iyong two kittens. Nara guys. That is Orangey and Blackie. And this is Mingo. Naman niya na siya. Wait, Mingo. No. Magkalas ka tubig. Nara sila guys. No, Mingo. Out, Mingo, out. Nawala na sila. Where's Blackie?
Nagdago na here after.
Nasa?
Under the motor right there.
Okay.
Blackie looks so hidden.
We'll water the plants. Water the plants. So, water the plants. Hello. Didim na sila.
Ako kaya yung mama doon. Ako yung kwan. Ay nagdalas niya.
Guys, so akong pet, that's Mingo. Ito siya over the fence. And the kittens are somewhere here.
Yeah, they're right there.
There. That's Orangey. Hi.
Mom, Lucky is right there.
Where's Where?
Lucky, I saw him. Kanina there, nag-agi sila dano. Nag-agi siya dano.
Ito na si Blackie. Oh no, it's not Blackie. Where is the other cat?
I saw it. I saw Black.
Never mind. I saw si Orange is there. Okay, never mind. Nara Mingo. Ay, nara si Blackie.
Oh.
Nara si Blackie.
We call them
si
Blacky and Orangey because look at Mango. She is in 3 different colors. Orange, black, and white.
Hmm.
Orangey.
La, mabunyagan ka din ha.
Agoy, mama.
Pila lagi kag bunyag. The cat, where's the cat? Dagan siya. Dagan lagi siya. Bi, burasag kag si Mingo nga nagplay. Outside,
Hey, don't
gana
scare
o
me.
pamunyag sa water the plants. You switch off the light outside, baby.
Guys.
No, no. Okay.
Okay na.
You say good night.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.